Reliable wiring solutions you can trust. Precision speed quality. Backed by 2 decades of experience. We provide custom cable solutions for automotive applications. Medical devices. Aerospace systems. Consumer electronics. And more. Our advantages: industry certifications. ISO 9001 IATF 16949 ISO 13485. Quick delivery times. Helping you stay ahead. Cutting edge capabilities: fine pitch connectors. Precision molded components. Expect dependable performance. Get in touch now. Reliable wiring solutions you can trust. Precision speed quality. Backed by 2 decades of experience. We provide custom cable solutions for automotive applications. Medical devices. Aerospace systems. Consumer electronics. And more. Our advantages: industry certifications. ISO